Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, March the 24th, 2022. We have not so good news today. Today we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. There's no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No, let me zoom this out. Okay. No extra puzzles. What I will do is, in the yesterday's newspaper, I believe I have 3 puzzles left. I will solve those 3 puzzles. And there's also no good news because the war is still going on, and I believe the war, 1 month or war, 1 month. It's 1 month. 1 month ago, the war has started, and it's still going on. 1 month war. Not good news. A lot of people died, and a lot of people need to move. Refugees, So, sad news. Alright. So only one regular Sudoku. This will be number 4304. 4304. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And for 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 7? 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 7, 4 should be there. Then. Cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number. Let me focus this. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. You see there another 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row be 3 in the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 4 in this big square. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 4 in the first column, so no 2 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. Yes. Okay. We have a pair now. 2, 4, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be here. 4, 7, 9, 9, 9, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 1, the 2, the 6, 2, 6, and the 8. Two, yeah. 3, 3, 5, 5, 9, 9. Come on. 9, 7, 1. Yeah. Okay. 2, 2. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this second row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2 and a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third columm, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. Okay. 6, 2, 4, 9, 8, 8, 8. 8 and the 3. Okay. The 1, the 3, the 6, 6, 3, 3. Think. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the first row, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. That means we have a 9 here, 9 there. In this column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, or there. Also a 9 there, no 9 there. Here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Okay. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. Together with the 9, we have a pair, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Okay, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? Let me count, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Do we have all the 9s? No. I've marked those two boxes with a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. 3, 6, 2, 8, 5, 5, 5, 2, 8, 5, 2, 2, 2, 8. Okay. How about the 7 then? 7, 7. 7, 7. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next down, 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now. 3, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. Well, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 1 digit left in this row for the number, I believe 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 5, 5. 3 and 6. Yeah. All right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the third row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then, 2, okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. Here also 7 and 8, 7 and 8. But we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Then 1 box left in this row here. We have 8 in this third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2-star Sudoku. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those for more than 6 weeks. Here we have 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 7, 6, 2, 7, 6, 2, 7, 6, 2. We have here the 6 as a pair, the 2 as a pair, 2 pairs. 1, 3, 4. Yeah, 2 pairs. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again later on with the other puzzles, not in today's newspaper because we have no extra Sudokus, no additional. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper we have. Sudokus or puzzles left. Until then, bye bye for now.